Hi there, this is going to be a short video about the Trangia Kettles. I got this one. This is the 1.4 liter kettle at a Christmas present from my daughter Josephine. Thanks very much. And I will also compare the other kettles for the 27 and 25 Trangia stoves in this video. But let's start with this, and what's the meaning with the 1.4 kettle. First, it won't fit into the 27 or 25 series of stoves. However, you can make an own little cooking kit with this kettle. What I've done is put in a kit inside here. You will see that's coffee, one little cooksa, foldable, a couple of spoon forks, matches, and the best of all, it fits the Trangia triangle inside here. You could easily fit one more of these cups if you want to. Of course with the burners as well. So it becomes a handy little kit, and the meaning of this, as I see the point of it, is that you could boil more water at a time, and that could be handy if you want to have a meal, for example. Then you could easily put water into this to fill up 2 of these meals if you're a couple, maybe a cup of coffee or 2. So that's what I think this is handy compared to the smaller one of the kettles, and that it could be a kit of itself if you don't need to fry anything or something like that. Alright, so let's compare with others so you can see the size differences. Alright then, here I have all 3 of this kind of kettles that I have. We start with the smaller one. It is a 0.6 liters kettle for the 25 series of Trangias that it fits with, and this is the one from my oldest Trangia, a dual kit, and fits in the 25 series or Trangia cooking kit. And this is the size of the 1.4, so it's significantly larger. For example, the Trangia triangle does not fit into the 25 kettle, and obviously not in the 27 kettle. I like all of these, of course, for their different purposes, but however, it's very nice to have the choices to make different kind of kits for different kind of adventures. I hope you will see this as a useful video, and I plan to do some more Trangia videos. So if you're interested to see more of this kind of tips and tricks, maybe some recipes as well, please comment on what you want to see, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of videos, and others, of course. Time for coffee. I would like to mention as well that on the last video I made, I just did a modification of this triangle with a round file, so I could fit the multi-fuel X2 stove as well. That's pretty handy. Okay, let's that guy bloom. I'd like to thank my daughter again for this kettle. Very handy and very nice. As well get this meal. I think we have to make another one of that to review that kind of meal. We have a lot of we have a lot of food from the Christmas table left, so we have to eat that first, as you probably understand. Okay, it will start raining recently. I think it stopped immediately. Look at me, it looks dark. That the sky behind me. It's a little bit nicer on the other side. Okay, we have a good boil there. I think the coffee is ready. Oh, it looks good. Yeah, we'll let it set. Let it set off and cool. Snuff and save the fuel. Okay, that was all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more of this, or other thing if you're interested. Right, bye.